Want to make egg rolls like this in just 5 minutes? Let's get rolling. Hi, my name is Mercy, and I'm going to show you how to make these golden crispy egg rolls in just 5 minutes. And trust me, they're easier than you think. Here is what you'll need: 3 eggs in a bowl, a pinch of salt, soy sauce according to your liking. This is to add some flavor to your eggs. Thinly sliced onions, well, just 1 onion is enough. Bell pepper, commonly known as hoho in Kenya. Carrots, thinly sliced. And not forgetting oil, cooking oil. Take your spoon and start beating your eggs. Make sure you mix them well. And while you're doing this, take your pan, add some little cooking oil, and let it start heating. Once it has dried, take your spoon and start folding it or rolling it. That's why we call it egg roll. Then after it has dried and you've folded well or rolled it well, add your mixture and be patient with it. Let it cook well. This is eggs, so you should be patient. Exercise patience. Don't rush. Yeah, and then keep on folding or rolling your egg while the other side cooks. Yeah, it's just that. And then you keep on repeating the process up to the end. I hope you've seen how easy this is. There are so many other ways that you can prepare eggs, and this is just one of them. Yeah, you should not be eating boring eggs. Anyway, you can serve this as breakfast or snacks for your kids or even yourself. Thanks for watching. If you've loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy homemade meals. Damn, just look at how tantalizing, delicious this looks. Yeah, you should give it a try, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Let me know on the comment section what I should cook next. Bye-bye. See you next time. And also, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel together. See you.